have 3 full skins here. Make sure the photos are clear.
Copy that. I'm bagging the first one now.
The primary route is clear, from Mombasa through the Suez to a major hub in Ukraine.
We're seeing the same pattern in Southeast Asia. We must move quickly.
Confirmed illegal listing detected. Source located. Dispatching alert to field agents. Prepare for extraction.
We are comparing our high-quality synthetic leopard print with the real pattern. As you can see, the ethical alternative.
As you can see, the biofabrication is perfect at the cellular level.
The ethical luxury market is going to redefine high fashion.
The durability test completed. We have a green light there.
Good.
The color analysis is also showing consistent results this time.
Installing 24K gold-plated buckles, chains, and designer logo hardware onto leopard print handbag, luxury hardware components, professional assembly, high-end finishing.
Elegant display showing variety of leopard print luxury goods, handbags, coats, shoes, belts, wallets, complete luxury collection.
Leopard print leather wallet, $650. Designer belt, $850. Luxury shoes, $1,800.
It's stunning, and it's all faux. Ethical fashion is the future.
You don't have to compromise on style to be...
Sure. This piece features the finest Italian calf hair and a bespoke gold clasp.
It is stunning. The craftsmanship is simply... I love the design, and knowing it's ethically sourced makes it even better.
It truly is a beautiful piece. Thank you for your purchase.
Modern technology allows us to create leopard patterns more beautiful than nature, without harming a single animal.
Ethical leopard print industry, $400 million annually.
Choose conservation. Choose synthetic luxury. Save leopards.